Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about copy a list. Okay, already copy a list means we have to clone one list from another list. Okay, that means suppose already we have a list. Okay, by using that list, we have to prepare another list. But regular scenarios, suppose here we have two variables. Like suppose I have a variable a comma b. Okay, I have a variable a comma b is equal we have to write like this b comma a. Okay, b comma a. At that time what happened, what the a that means a is equal to b and b is equal to a. Here the elements swapped at single variables. Okay, suppose any single element is stored in a single variable. At that time we have to copy by using assignment operator. Okay, by using assignment operator, but in a lists that's not possible. Okay, why? Because the multiple elements should store in single variable. That's why we have different methods to clone from one list to another list. Okay, in that the first method is copy method. Okay, the first method is copy method. Here I am taking one list, that is my list. Okay, here my list is one variable. By in my list I will store another variable. Okay, the another list of elements. Okay, another list of elements means same list of elements I will store in another variable. Okay, by using copy method, fruits dot copy. Okay, fruits dot copy. Now print my list. Okay, print my list. Here see, in my list the same elements. Okay, whatever elements in fruits are there, same elements should store in my list variable. Okay, my list variable. This is the one way to copy the elements from one variable to another variable. Okay, likewise we have another method, that is list method. Okay, that is list method. By using list method also we have to clone the one elements from one list of element to one variable to another variable. Okay, see, have a look here. See, this is the okay. I'm so sorry. Here I did a mistake. By using list, you have to fruits. Okay, list of fruits. Okay, list of fruits. See, the elements should store like this. Okay, in previous copy method we used in this list of fruits. Okay, list of fruits should take another set of elements. Okay, another set of elements. This is in this way. This is two ways. Another way is there, that is by using slicer. Okay, by using slicer means already we learned about slicing, list slicing. Okay, these concepts already we saw in previous videos. Okay, by using, see, my in my list, see fruits. Okay, square braces just colon. Okay, square braces just colon. See, the complete element should store in another variable. See, total three methods are there. Total three ways are there. One is by using copy method. Second one is list of, already list of original variable name. Okay, next by using slicing method, fruits of slice. In these three ways we have to clone the list from one list to another list. Okay, that's it for today guys. That's it for this video. I hope you understand. uh, if you understand, please practice once. If you don't understand, please keep in the comments. I will rectify from next videos. Okay, thank you so much friends.